All right, guys, 2001 Ford Expedition 5.4. This gentleman drove all the way from Kansas. He said, I'm going to vacation in Nashville and visit exhaust addicts and get them to do my exhaust. And it was a pleasure to do his exhaust for him. We really appreciate him coming down. He's got 4 factory converters, 2 there, 2 there. So shout out to Kansas for coming down. Anyways, there used to be a factory muffler right there. We cut it off, put straight pipe, reused his tailpipe, and then there was a resonator there. We cut it off and completed it with a 4-inch double wall stainless steel tip out the back. Just clean it up, make it look nice for him. It's got a nice 2-inch or 3-inch lift, or 4-inch. Really nice, clean. This is the muffler that was on it, and the resonator and pipe that was on it before. This is what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Just did exhaust liposuction on it today. So just lost 50 pounds of weight. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think? More? All right. Here's sound decibels. Again, 104. That's nice. That sounds really nice. Perfect. Go ahead and back it out. It's an old police car too. Oklahoma State Trooper car. Awesome. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Expedition muffler and resonator delete. All the way from Kansas. Yeah. Enjoy, guys. You can still hear it.